a couple of paddock cars over the last few years. There's been a 1990 Toyota Camry, a 2006 Mitsubishi Verada, and a 1988 Toyota Camry. That's where we're going to start this video today. G'day, my name's James. So today we're going to be looking at my all-time favourite paddock car, the 1988 Toyota Camry that was later named Hot Pursuit. And if you want to find out why, stick around. So my neighbour was having a day at his place called Race Day, and I'll talk more about that later. So in preparation for Race Day, we started modifying this car. So sit back, get a drink and a snack, and enjoy this build montage of a 1988 Toyota Camry called Hot Pursuit. What are we doing, Jesse?
Sunday driving.
One reverse donut got us bonked. Terrific job, you. We got the tractor bonked trying to pull out that piece of shit. That's all the building done. We gave it an iPad, gave it a spray paint job with the cheapest spray paint I could find, gave it some LEDs and a siren for that real police effect. Now the tub on the roof isn't just because we're idiots. The water pump was buggered and it just kept losing water, which caused the car to overheat. So we decided it'd be so much easier just to put a tub on the roof, fill it with water, and make that replace all the water that it loses. And that's what the tub does. So now here we are, Saturday, June 2nd, 2018, and it's race day. This was the third race day that my neighbour has had, and pretty much what it is we all get some paddock bombs together and we just go drive around his backyard. Now I can make a video that goes on all day about race day, but here's a short clip of some of the cars, including Hot Pursuit, at race day.
G'day there. A horse! That's probably not good.
Well, that's it. Even after it lost its water pipe and got hit by other cars, the Camry survived. We drove it back home and drove around here a few times, but one day the timing stuffed up on it and I couldn't be bothered working anymore, so I knew it was time for my beast to go. I put an ad on Facebook and the very next day someone came to pick it up and take it away. Now, I'm not sure exactly where it went, but my friend sent me this photo of it on the back of a truck near his work, and I believe it's been crushed. This was an amazing project to work on, and I had the help of my great friends such as Hugh and Jesse. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this one, make sure you check out my Instagram where it shows all my past projects, including Hot Pursuit, and some of my new ones before they make it onto YouTube. Also, if you're wondering what this car is, click on this box up here when the outro plays, and while you're there, make sure you click on that box down there, which will take you to my channel where you can hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.